Wait! Before you leave, English idioms are weird. Sometimes they make absolutely no sense.
I have an audition tomorrow. Break a leg. Are you serious? Why would I do that? No, break a leg means good luck.
Was the exam difficult? Nah, it was a piece of cake. Bro, there was cake at the exam? No, a piece of cake means very easy.
I've been trying to fix this computer for hours.
Just throw in the towel.
Where should I throw it?
No! It means give up!
Oh!
I have an exam tomorrow. You'd better hit the books. With what? No! Hit the books means study hard.
I have a secret. Come on, spill the beans. Where do you want them? No, spill the beans means reveal a secret.
You don't look well. Yeah, I'm feeling under the weather. Under the weather? Do you think it's gonna rain? It means feeling ill. How often do you go running? Once in a blue moon. Is the blue moon a running club? No, it means very rarely. Do you think Tom will apologize? When pigs fly. Are you kidding? Since when do pigs fly? When pigs fly means never. Are you serious? No, I'm just pulling your leg. Pulling my leg? I don't get it. It means I'm joking with you. I'm gonna text him. Hold your horses. What do horses have to do with my text? No, hold your horses means slow down. Did you understand them all? Don't worry, even native speakers get confused.